I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
This is 280 Bailey Lane here in Pleasant View in the very desirable Harris Farms neighborhood. Sidewalks, street lights, close to everything in Pleasant View, and a short hop over to the interstate to get back to Nashville. This is an awesome 3-bed, 2-bath with a huge bonus room. It's about 1,800 square feet on almost half an acre. Coming available in the next day or so.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
So as you come in the front door, you've got a nice fireplace, a very warm welcome right in the front door. You've got a really large living room with high ceilings.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
And through this way is the beautiful dining room. Real hardwood floors. It's got a trade ceiling. You can imagine spending the holidays in here over a nice meal with the family. And right through here we've got the kitchen. And also an eat-in area for a kitchen table overlooking the huge backyard. We'll go check that out in just a minute. Straight ahead off of the kitchen is the primary bedroom. Really large space, definitely enough for a king-size bed. It has the trade ceiling.
That's what Christmas is all about.
Very nice bathroom with double vanities. And a very large soaking tub and shower combo. And this is one of my favorite features of the primary bedroom. It is a huge walk-in closet. Plenty of room for his and hers, or anyone's items. Back this way, we've got the second full bath. Bedroom number 2 and 3. Behind me, we've got the oversized laundry area right here. Thing we didn't see yet is back this way towards the kitchen. But right up here is the humongous bonus area. So you've got a separate area over here. This could function as an office, a media room, even a 4th bedroom. And there's tons of extra storage up here as well. Got this huge space in here. Put all your extra Christmas decorations, Halloween, any holidays that you celebrate. It's got a really big 2-car garage out this way. And then out back, got a back patio area as well. Put a table out here, your grill. Enjoy a nice evening in the wonderful Harris Farms neighborhood. If you want to set up a tour, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.